Hello and welcome to the Counterman Education Center. We're here today with Eric in the shop, and we're going to talk about a very interesting subject that comes up a lot of the time. People want to know, do I really need to flush my brake fluid? Eric, what is it about flushing the brake fluid? We never used to flush brake fluid. Now it's part of a recommended service.
So Scott, the most important thing to remember about brake fluid is that it's hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs water. So anytime you have the cap off of the master cylinder reservoir, you're filling the brake fluid, it's going to absorb moisture, and pretty quickly. That, and with the brake system, as it wears, the rubber materials inside the brake system slowly degrade and you get tiny little particles in the brake fluid. So between the moisture and those rubber particles, the brake fluid becomes very, very acidic, and that tears up the internal components of the brake system. Many years ago, you had a master cylinder, caliper, wheel cylinders. It didn't seem to be that much. However, today, with anti-lock braking systems and the really expensive brake modulators, all the valving and controls, it can be really, really expensive if you don't flush the brake fluid and maintain it. You can be looking at an expensive repair.
Eric, thanks for that great information. And I guess that changes my opinion on flushing the brake fluid in the system. We'll see you next time here at the Counterman Education Center.